Hi friends, this is a 21-inch Philips CRT TV. In this TV, the complaint is focus issue. The focus issue is mainly related with the CRT base socket. So in this TV, we are going to replace the CRT base socket with the new one. See friends, now we open the back cover of the CRT TV. In this TV, you can see this board is called as neck board. Here you can see this is the CRT base. So here we need to desolder all tracks of the CRT base and install new one. So I will show you after removing the old CRT base from this board. See friends, now we desoldered and removed the old CRT base socket from this neck board. So now we need to install the new CRT base socket instead of this old one for solving focus related issue in the CRT TV. See friends, now we fixed the new CRT base socket in the neck board. Now we need to solder all tracks properly. After soldering, I will show you. See friends, now all tracks are soldered properly. Now we need to connect the CRT base socket to the CRT tube. See friends, now we connected the neck board. Now let us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the picture is clear. That's all for today. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.